Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change RAM Promaster battery. Begin by parking safely and engaging the brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Use safety gloves and glasses and identify the negative terminal to disconnect first. Gather the correct replacement battery, battery wrench, and terminal cleaner. Follow manufacturer torque specs and avoid metal contact across terminals. Reconnect positive last, and next, prepare to remove the old battery by ensuring all accessories are off and keys are out of the ignition. Loosen and remove the negative clamp first, then the positive, and set cables aside to avoid contact. Unbolt the battery hold down and carefully lift the battery using both hands, keeping it upright to prevent spills. Inspect the tray and cable ends for corrosion and clean them before installing the new battery. Now place the new battery into the tray with the terminals in the correct positions for your RAM Promaster. Secure the battery with the hold-down clamp and tighten to recommended torque without overdoing it. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure clamps are snug and free of movement. Start the engine to verify charging function and check for dashboard warnings. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.